Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can disable or turn off Windows Defender in Windows 11 in any PC. It is very easy to change or disable or turn off Windows Defender in any PC. You have to right click on the Windows icon shown in the taskbar. After you right click on this window icon, you will have to click on the setting option. Then a pop-up window will appear to you. After this settings window appear to you, then you have to click on the privacy and security option on the left side. After you click on this, you will see on the right side top, you will be able to see Windows security option. You have to click on the Windows security option. Then you will be able to see virus and threat protection. You have to click on it. After you click on it, a pop-up window will appear. Then you have to click on manage setting in virus and threat protection settings. After you click on it, you have to disable or you can say turn off the real-time protection. You have to click on this option. After clicking on it, now you can see it is disabled. Your Windows Defender is disabled, and on the right side you can also see bottom you got a message from Windows Security that your Defender is disabled. In the taskbar on the right side you can also see that Windows Defender is showing a cross option. It means that your Windows Defender is disabled. Hope so your Windows Defender is disabled. Thank you for watching this video.